Hi everyone, it's Tom from the Reluctant Outdoorsman channel. As you can see, Paddy's here, and I'll be amazed if he doesn't try and drink some seawater. Nope. The video you're about to see was recorded on Tuesday, the 26th of November 2024. Paddy and I were a bit undecided about what we were going to do, so at about 2 o'clock in the afternoon we set off from home and on the spur of the moment drove to Bouley Bay. As usual, I took my camera and I also had my drone with me. We had already done and filmed quite a lot of walks in that area, so instead we decided to just mess about on the beach. It was a lovely winter's afternoon. Paddy and I thoroughly enjoyed ourselves. I hope you enjoy the video. And from out in space, we are zooming in to Bouley Bay, Jersey, Channel Islands. Hello Paddy, are you enjoying yourself? Come on, let's go for a little walk. Amazing down here. You're soaking wet. Oh, you gotta be wet there. You're wet. And that could be one of the last glimpses of the old Water's Edge Hotel. I'm sure they're going to knock it down soon. Oh, what a location, Paddy. Paddy is just such a wonderful dog. What would we do without him?
Show me how I wet you up. Oi! And we're now going to have a superb lesson on how not to retrieve your drone. Oh my dear. Can you imagine what sort of accidents we're going to be having on this channel in a couple of years' time? From the ridiculous to the sublime. How good is this drone shot? Almost worth the entrance fee. And this one's not bad either. That was fine judgment. Just missed that rock. Goodbye, Paddy. That's a very wet Paddy. Paddy, let's go for a little walk down here. Paddy wants to go to the toilet. I don't think so. Come on. Paddy.
And finally, I managed to have my clinical observation on a treadmill at Jersey Hospital a couple of days ago. And basically, they were very happy with the condition of my heart and with my fitness level. There's a possibility of tweaking some of my medication to see if that helps with my breathlessness. But otherwise, they were fairly happy that I wasn't going to keel over and snuff it, and I've been discharged.
It is so beautiful down here.
And the good news for me, and possibly the bad news for you, is that I'll be continuing to make movies.
Paddy is thinking about jumping back in, but no.
And the bad news for all of us is I'll probably still be breathless.
Can't beat this, can you? Right, come on, Pads. We're going home. In memory of Gillian Smith, who died so tragically in a diving accident on March the 15th, 2014. She loved to dive and did so much for the dive community. We will miss her immensely. Gillian would say to her students, blow bubbles for no troubles. Come here, Pads. Good boy. Watch out, Paddy, there's a car. Paddy?
Right, ladies and gentlemen, and as we walk back up the hill towards the old Water's Edge Hotel, that is it for this video. A slightly longer video today because there are some of you out there who are gluttons for punishment. What a place the old Water's Edge must have been. I bet a lot of high times and high jinks took place in there. Sadly, all just memories now, and the place will soon be gone. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully, I'll see you all again soon.